Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai yepi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamda kasni. U Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya u Konrad Kisangma menta kasni ulapli pat ba ek bottling plan bahetam Hanot is jongka Varun Beverages Ltd PepsiCo Hamendi Pathar Industrial Area. Tadi ke project kadon life nyaw akar barkalong da ka jinglut lais pa sop hoklur tingka. U Konrad u ang bagani ka project kan aikam harusan spa angut barkan kentiu i kayo ka kot hakathan. Ulapan pauru bahadin life host nem balapan kre ya ka jaka menta ka jing angnut jeng u liat PE sangma kala urlang. U pentip ru balapan tray khandai po pesen ka weipat ka bottling plan ha tikri killa ba jeng doba wai kublai yu chairman ka Varun Beverages u Ravikant Jai Puria u balapan dep ya ka plan hapo khatwei benai.
Indian language. Today we have inaugurated the Varun Beverages Pepsi plant here in Mendipathar in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Varun Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Mendipathar, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast. And almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location. And this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s. And since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.